Yeah.
Yep. So you're gonna click the icon that has two, it kind of looks like two belts, vertical belts. So it's over four icons. All right, so this is your mixer. This is where all your tracks will be routed. If you press the spacebar right now, go ahead and do that. It's going straight to your master, which is fine. But actually, what I want you to do is you can click out of this, exit. But just so you know, that's your mixer, and that's a very important tool in music production, um, for mixing music. All right. So if you double click on took the night off and then see where it says track, upper right hand corner, go ahead and move that up to track one. There you go. And then go back to that mixer, press spacebar again. And now, so we've routed that specific track to our mixer. And then you can even move the volume of that mixer up and down. And go ahead and try that. Yeah, you got it. So that's how we would control the first track. And then so that track right now is going to track one, which is routing to the master. So right now I'm moving the fader. See where this is routing. This is routing to the master. So you can unroute it, and I don't think anything will come out because we just unrouted track one from the master, which basically means that nothing is going to come through because this is the master channel. Um, so the master channel is like all of these tracks combined.